Fractions. Now, what do you mean by fraction? A fraction is a fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. If I draw one rectangle here, you can see. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts? 4 parts. If I take 4 parts, so here equal parts 4. Shaded portion 2. 2 by 4 is our fraction. This is the fraction. So, you can see 2 divided by 4. So, 2 is up one numerator. This is called numerator. And this is denominator. So, here you can say this is fraction 2 by 4. So, up one called numerator, down one called denominator. Next we have types of fractions. So, proper fraction. So here you can see proper fraction. Now, what do you mean by proper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. A proper fraction. So, a fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called a proper fraction. Example, numerator is less than the denominator. So here we can write 3 by 5, 7 by 9, 23 by 28. So here you can see fraction. Denominator, down one denominator, up one numerator. So 3 is less than 5, that is proper fraction. 7 is less than 9, proper fraction. 23 is less than 28, so proper fraction. A proper fraction. Improper fraction. Now, what do you mean by improper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. vowel sound, improper vowel sound, that's why. And improper fraction. So a fraction in which now numerator is greater than the denominator. Example, here you can see 7 by 5, comma 9 by 8, comma 11 by 3, 29 by 25. Here you can see 7 is greater than 5, 9 is greater than 8, 11 is greater than 3, 29 is greater than 25. So up on numerator, down on denominator. So numerator is greater than the denominator. So these are improper fractions. 7 by 5, 9 by 8, 11 by 3, 29. I have written 4 examples. Now what do you mean by mixed fraction? A combination of a whole number and proper fraction a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Example, whole number 1, 2, 3, all numbers are whole number. So positive number 1 whole 2 third, 1 whole 2 third. That means 1 plus 2 third, 1 plus 2 third. One is whole number, 2 by 3, 2 third, proper fraction. So different 5 whole, 3 by 8. So this is 5 plus 3 by 8. Whole number combination, that is addition. So sum of two numbers, that is combination, combined numbers, 5 and 3 by 8. Together 5 whole 3 by 8. 1 plus 2 third or 2 by 3, 1 whole 2 third or 1 whole 2 by 3. Now here 8 whole 2 by 9, that is 8 plus 2 by 9. This is the form. How can we write? I show. So mixed fraction, mixed fraction, mixed fraction. Complete these tables of equivalent fractions, table A, table B. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 5 and 6. And here also divide numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 5 and 6. 1 are 2, 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 6 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Now divide numerator and denominator by 2. Now divide 30 divided by 2, 15, 60 divided by 2, 30. 30 divided by 3, 10, 60 divided by 3, 2. 30 divided by 5, 6, 60 divided by 5, 12. 30 divided by 6, 5, 60 divided by 6, 10. Now here divided by 2, 30, 45. Here 20, here 30. Here 12, here 18, here 10, here 15. Division 2 6s are 12, 0. 2 7s are 14, carry 1 10, 2 5s are 10. 3 4s are 12, 0. 3 5s are 15, 0. 5 2s are 10, carry 2 20, 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 50. So division, so 2 3s are 12, 0. Now 3 4s are 12, 0. 5. Similarly, divide the numerator also, same number 2, divided by 2, both numerator divided by 3, both numerator denominator, divided by 5, both numerator and denominator, divided by 6, both numerator and denominator. Now here 6, 2s are 12, 0. 6 2s are 12, carry 3, 36 5s are 30.